Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make Sloppy Joe's number 1. To make this recipe, I'm going to start with grenadine. I do make my own grenadine recipes here on the channel if you want to give it a try. A link down below and at the end of the video. 1/4 ounce of grenadine is 7.5 milliliters. Next, orange liqueur. I'm using orange curacao, 1/4 ounce, 7.5 milliliters. Next, lime juice, 1 full ounce, which is 30 milliliters of fresh squeezed lime juice. That's just about it. 3/4 ounce of dry vermouth. 3/4 ounce is 22.5 milliliters. And the rum. 3/4 ounces of your white rum, 3/4 ounces is 25.5 milliliters. Get some ice, add your ice, and give it a shake. The official glass for this drink is a martini glass, cocktail glass, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to strain into there. I'm going to get my other strainer. Now I'm going to double strain into my martini glass. Garnish. Some recipes do call for a garnish. It's almost always a lime wheel. I prefer without, so that's what I'm going to do. And that's it. There you have it. Sloppy Joe's number 1. Drink with good spirits.